Welcome back, guys. So tonight we're gonna be making some Salisbury steak with this rich gravy and onions, and it's with meatballs. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. So right here, I went on ahead and chopped my meatballs down, and then you see them caramelized onions. Now, you know I had to make some rice to go on the side to go with this gravy that we about to make, and it's going to be so good. Now, listen, I wasn't even going to make a video for tonight, but this was looking so good, I had to do it, and I haven't added any seasonings yet. This sauce was so easy to make. I just took a can of beef gravy mix that I had in the cabinet, some water, and then my favorite oyster sauce. Yes, I know I love this sauce. It just makes everything taste better. I added some flour just to make sure this gravy gets nice and thick. Once we add it to the meat mixture, and just make sure you stir it up good. Make sure you get all them lumps out that gravy. So we cheating tonight, y'all. We not rolling out any hamburger meat for these Salisbury steaks. And the best part is they already seasoned with 3 cheeses. So this Angus meatballs is about to be so good with them onions. And then look at this sauce. You see this sauce now? In a second, it's going to be so thick and rich. Okay, y'all, it's boiling away. This pot is singing and dancing together. Can you see that? So the name of the game is low and slow. It's almost ready, y'all. So let's take a second and look at this sauce. Do you see how it's coating the spoon and how thick and rich it look? It's time to go ahead and taste it and see what we came up with. It's still bubbling, them onions in there, that char on the meatballs. Y'all, this didn't take nothing but 10 minutes. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this rice on the plate and get it ready for this gravy. And you guys, when I tell you that gravy was so freaking good, I had to close my eyes and almost dance around in a circle. All I did was add some of that black pepper right there, and that was it. I'm telling you, that beef gravy and that oyster sauce did it all. So go ahead and give this video a big old thumbs up if you want to give it a try. And then really quick, come on over to our Facebook fan page, you guys, because when we're not filming, you can find us here. And then we do post events to let you know when we do have YouTube premieres. And then we're also starting our own Facebook group, Cooking and Talking Large Family Style. So go ahead and like and subscribe to our page, and we'll see you guys later.